Hi and welcome to Turf Talk with Troy. Today we're going to talk about what we use and recommend to keep your lawn the best looking lawn in the street. As we're heading towards the cooler months, it is imperative that you prepare your lawn for winter now. Keeping your lawn in a healthy state will help reduce the onset of winter dormancy. With an application of a turf-specific fertiliser such as the Lawn Solutions Australia fertiliser, it will supply all the nutrients your plant needs to keep it healthy now and for the months ahead. Always apply the fertiliser and chemicals at the label rate and have an accurate measurement of your lawn area. Apply the correct rate to your lawn. If you have any questions, just contact our turf professionals here at the Coolabah Turf HQ. It is important at this time of the year to keep your lawn as thick and dense as possible through good nutrition, frequent water applications and regular mowing. Regular mowing encourages lateral growth of the plant, keeping a thick, dense lawn and not putting all the energy into leaf growth. A pre-emergent herbicide and fertiliser like Oxifert will control annual grass weeds and broadleaf weed seeds from germinating for a 6 to 7 week period, whilst fertilising your lawn at the same time in one easy application. Applications must be made prior to germination, apply to a dry foliage and irrigate in immediately with 10 millimetres of water. If your lawn is left long for an extended period of time, the plant density can become thin and winter weeds will soon invade the open soil. If you already have existing wintergrass, apply wintergrass killer to eradicate the wintergrass prior to the pre-emergent. If you already have established broadleaf weeds in your lawn, you will still require an application of bin dye to eradicate the existing weeds, and then the Oxifert will stop any new weeds from appearing. A thick, dense, healthy lawn will keep the weeds out during the cooler months.